What's going on, legends? Yes, we're doing another episode. We are on a special island, my favourite island, Fraser Island. So yeah, we've steamed here. We've had an absolute nightmare for the rest of the trip, but you'd have already seen that on earlier videos. But yeah, we've come to a little spot. It's lovely. And yeah, we're gonna hunt crabs. So we're just gonna set up camp. This is our little spot we've chosen. Yeah, set up camp, go and get some bait, which is stingrays. We're gonna have to spear them ourselves. And then yeah, cut them up, take them out in the boat and send the crabs, have a feed on the mud crabs. And I don't know what adventure's gonna take us. I don't know where it's gonna take us, but yeah, let's go. Let's go down the beach and see what it's all about. This is what I drove across the country for. Beautiful sand, the calm water, the no wind. So we're gonna try and launch the boat, go and set some crab pots up, make camp a little bit over the other side there. Just take some chairs, some drinks, bits and pieces like that, leave the cars here, and then try and work it all out later when the tide's doing whatever it's doing. Slowly. We'll just take the one, go through there. Yeah, we're gonna follow the creek up. We got the boat just over there with the girls in, and me and Drew are in the yak, in about 6 inches of water. Yeah, get the smaller one. Yep. We're in plenty of water. Get ready to cut that motor. Get ready to cut the motor. Get ready. Cut the motor. Yes, bro. Got him. Stingray just there. See him? Still in shallow water. Hey, Captain. I'm the captain now. Got one just up in there, I reckon. Yep. Yep. Alright, slow down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got one, yes. So yeah, this one's not so healthy. It's got meat, it's very soft. So we're actually going to release him. Hopefully we'll get a good crab karma. Go on, mate. See you, pal. You got it, big dog. Jenny. We don't really want him, do we? No. Let me just record him going back. We're going to do the right thing. Pop it back. Yeah, mate. This is our one. Dreamer! Yeah, buddy! We got 2! They're big ones too! I'm gonna take these over to Drew, just over there on the bank. I think one was a female, I think that one's a female, but that one's a male. Should have got. How are we gonna get him out? Let me release this bad boy. Let me release him, get him up on the beach. Yeah? Yeah. Big handle, wrestle a motherfucker. We're going to try and get over the other side. Them colours are right over there. This wind going bunters. Set the pots probably about 6 hours ago. We tried to walk there at low tide, didn't work out, and we found 2 mud crabs actually. But yeah, there were Jenny and one real small one. So yeah, we're gonna go and check the pots. We've had a few bevies, but the captain's still sober. Let's go.
Raise that motherfucker.
Go, 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 go. Alright, get us away a little bit, get us away a little bit. It's coming up sideways, bud. There's a fucking shark in it, bro.
There is a shark in it,
yeah. There's a fucking shark in it, bro. There's a lemon shark.
Oh, bro, that shark's been done by another shark. That shark's been done by another shark. See that?
Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Get that shark out. Alright, control the boat. I'll do this. Control the boat. Get your light, get your light. Get your torch.
Yeah, we got a keeper and we got a nice.
Other one, bro.
Alright, yeah, I haven't done this shit before.
Other one, brother. Alright, let me get a shark out.
Yeah. Right, get the boat. The boat's gonna be out to the reef. Fucking you got me there. Alright, get the torch up.
We're right. That's right. Here, unhook that. That's fine. Don't break the wall.
He's a lemon shark. We need to help him. No, we're not eating.
Why can't we eat it?
There's a shark, bro. Alright, torch in the water, torch in the water, torch in the water. Yeah. Wait, we're in the bushes, bro.
In the bushes. Get out of the bushes. Get out of the bush.
Yeah!
I'm trying this one back up.
Fucking. Wait.
We can drift in here.
Where's the Jenny? Throw him back.
They're both male.
Oh yeah, keep him back. No, that one needs to go back. Small.
Ready?
Yeah, throw him back. Beautiful. Alright, put him in there. Put him in there. Get in there. Alright, we got no bait left. No, on it. Get it, mate. That's the weak core, isn't it?
Yeah, get it.
That way. There, crush it. Oh! That is actually bone breaking. That'll break your bone.
It'll take your finger off.
Yeah, that'll take your finger off. Look
But
at that.
see them big things in there? See how there's big lumps in there? They get really big in the crusher core, and that's what saves your finger, them big things. Because they're like teeth and they kind of stop it halfway through your finger.
We got our muddy on our first pot. Yeah, we got 2 muddies and a shark. That had a chunk missing out of it. Fraser Island, baby. Yoo-hoo! Girls catching the crabs.
Go, girl.
Go on, girls.
Let's do it. We're doing it.
Doing it, doing it, doing it. Is there anything in there, ladies?
Nothing.
Nothing, 100%? 100%?
Oh, we just dropped something.
Alright, let's move the pot then.
Alright, is there any bait still in there?
I don't think so.
No.
No, there's no more bait in
That
there.
was Drew one. Boil.
It'll just pour down here into the sink, worst case.
Yeah, I was trying to do it to make it boil quicker.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it's already going, though. It's already turning red. Gross. Let me try that.
And there's a bone in the middle, so you need to teeth and slide back. Can't say you don't like that.
Oh, double dipping,
I
same.
have to, sorry. It's gross.
Have you eaten it?
Alright, that is us wrapping it up for the mud crab video. I loved every little bit of that. Going and hunting for the bait, putting the crabs out, tasting them, not so much, but everyone ate them. They did not go to waste, so I make sure of that. We threw a lot of females back, did the right thing, and yeah, absolutely frothed on it. But we're trying to escape the wind. The wind is still howling 50, 60 kilometers an hour on Fraser at the moment. It has been all week. We've made the most of it. But you know the score. Like, subscribe, keep the beaches clean. Ciao for now.